Gentlemen, if you're over 60 and wake up every morning feeling stiff, sore, wondering if that joint pain is just something you have to live with, stop for a second and really listen. What if the key to calming that inflammation wasn't another pill, wasn't another prescription, but a single, tiny seed sitting quietly on a grocery store shelf? The science behind how this seed fights arthritis pain is far more powerful than most people realize. And today, I'm going to show you exactly why. From your talking about flax seeds and how they can help men over 60 reduce rheumatoid arthritis symptoms naturally. This isn't hype, it's solid science. If you want to stay active, keep up with your grandkids, and move freely without that constant stiffness slowing you down, this could truly make a difference. But here's the key. It's not just what flax seeds do, it's how you use them, so your body can unlock their full inflammation-fighting potential. Let's start with what makes flax seeds so special. They're the richest plant source of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically one called alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA. You've probably heard about omega-3s from fish oil, but the ALA in flax seeds is the plant-based version your body can convert into EPA and DHA, the same compounds that help reduce inflammation in your joints. When your body gets enough ALA, it starts producing its own natural anti-inflammatory molecules. It's like telling that painful internal fire to quiet down. And for anyone living with rheumatoid arthritis, that's a game changer. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. Men who consistently include flax seeds in their diet often notice reduced stiffness, less swelling, and smoother movement. Why? Because these omega-3s don't just cover up the pain, they change your body's entire inflammatory environment from the inside out. Clinical studies show that consistent intake of plant-based omega-3s can reduce the number of swollen, tender joints. Translation? Fewer bad mornings, better grip strength, and the freedom to do what you love without paying for it later in pain or fatigue. But flax seeds have one advantage that fish oils simply can't offer: lignans. These natural plant compounds act like little shields, protecting your joints from oxidative stress, the kind of rusting that makes arthritis worse with time. But lignans go beyond protection. Research suggests they help calm your immune system's overreaction, the very trigger behind rheumatoid arthritis itself. So instead of just dulling pain, flax seeds actually help correct the imbalance that causes it. And there's another big bonus. You're not just helping your joints, you're protecting your heart. The same omega-3s and lignans that fight inflammation in your body also support cardiovascular health. They help lower triglycerides, reduce blood pressure, and keep your arteries flexible. So while you're soothing your joints, you're also strengthening your heart. A double win every man over 60 deserves. Now, let's talk about how to use them the right way. If you're eating whole flax seeds, stop. Your body can't break them down. They'll just pass through untouched. What you need is ground flaxseed or flaxseed oil. Grinding opens up the seed and releases all those powerful nutrients. Start with 1 to 2 tablespoons of freshly ground flaxseed each day. Mix it into oatmeal, yogurt, or your morning smoothie. It's got a mild, nutty taste and blends easily. The key is consistency. Make it part of your daily rhythm, not just an occasional experiment. So, gentlemen, here's the bottom line. Ground flax seeds give you a 1-2 punch. Omega-3s to fight inflammation, and lignans to protect your joints and your heart. This small, natural change can mean less stiffness, more mobility, and stronger overall vitality as you age. If this video helped you see how powerful a simple seed can be, hit that like button and subscribe for more science-backed health tips that truly work. Thanks for watching, and here's to stronger joints and a healthier heart.